Imagine having the insight to spot process challenges well before they emerge and optimizing your workflows with precision and confidence. With the AI for Process Improvement Analysts course, you gain practical, hands-on knowledge that transforms complex operational challenges into clear, actionable solutions. This isn't just about learning artificial intelligence. It's about reshaping the way you approach everyday obstacles and improving efficiency in real time. In this course, you will uncover how AI tools can swiftly identify inefficiencies that traditionally would take days to discover. Instead of sifting through endless reports, you are empowered to access actionable insights instantly, letting you focus on driving strategic initiatives and enhancing overall productivity. The curriculum is designed to suit analysts at every level, gradually building your expertise while keeping you updated with the latest industry advancements. As part of your educational journey, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance your job security, and open new career opportunities. This training isn't about replacing your current role. It's about augmenting your abilities with a modern skill set that puts you ahead of the curve. When you finish, you will stand out as both knowledgeable and indispensable, a professional who leverages technology to deliver measurable results. Find all AI for Process Improvement Analysts training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and take the next step in elevating your career to new heights.